What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today I got a budget $309 gaming PC. Hey! Now you guys know this build already. So basically what happened was I used the same build in my budget $500 RTX gaming PC build. Now I don't know if you guys did watch my video, the budget $500 RTX gaming PC. You should, because there were like some other YouTuber, they're making same type of budget RTX, a $600 gaming PC, and I think I kind of beat all of them. But the only problem, I picked up those parts locally and they had to order those parts from online. So yeah, I don't know, I was disqualified. Actually, they don't even know me. What? Alright, so you guys can see right behind me my budget $309 AMD Ryzen gaming PC, and the only difference between this build and my budget RTX $500 gaming PC build, just the graphics card. So you guys might be wondering what happened with my EVGA RTX 2060 XE Ultra graphics card. So you guys remember I picked up that card from Craigslist for $320, and I thought, you know what, I got a crazy deal. I was like, yes! The deal was crazy, the card was running perfectly fine, but the only problem was the fan was so freaking loud. So I was like, why the fan is so freaking loud? You know, I was so mad. Now when I was recording the benchmark part of the budget $500 RTX build, the fan was so loud, I had to edit my audio and get rid of the background noise. It was that bad. Like if you guys go watch that video, you will literally hear the fan noise. So after that, what I did, because there is no warranty. Now one good thing about EVGA, if you don't buy EVGA's graphics card directly from EVGA, or if you don't buy from like Newegg or Microcenter, doesn't really matter. You can buy an EVGA graphics card from like Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Market, and as long as the card have warranty, you can use their EVGA guest RMA option. So I contacted EVGA and I was like, you know what, I got a card like this, I bought it from Craigslist, and one of the fan is not working. So the problem was basically one of the fan wasn't working, so the other fan was working too hard and was so loud. But other than that, the card was running perfectly fine. So I sent the card to EVGA for RMA. I should get that card back in like maybe in like week or two. So real quick, today I want to show you guys quick gaming benchmark. So you guys know if we minus the RTX graphics card, $320 graphics card, and we add that RX580 for $100, then the price come up to around $309. Now again, I will have the parts list in the video description and how much I paid for. Now today real quick, I'll test couple game, Apex Legend, Overwatch, CSGO, Doom, and PUBG. Making this quick video basically giving you guys quick update about my RTX build. And the only reason I'm making this because some of you guys were budget and you guys wanted to see how AMD Ryzen 1600 performed without overclocking, because the motherboard I have in this build, ASRock A320, I can overclock this CPU. So I'm stuck with 3.2 gigahertz, and I think it turbo up to 3.6 gigahertz. So again, the RAMs I'm using, though, these are HyperX, these are 2133. Now don't sleep on those RAMs, I managed to overclock those RAMs to 3000 megahertz with 1.3 volt, and these RAMs are freaking performing like crazy. Alright, the SSD I have in this build, SanDisk Ultra 2 SSD 240 gig, and also I added a 1TB Western Digital mechanical hard drive, 72 RPM, so I can save all my game there. And also I have the M.2 there for my hack and toll, so I can boot it into MacOS Mojave, and also I can boot into Windows and play my games. At this very moment, that's like my main computer for editing video and everything. Alright guys, so let's not waste any more time and let's jump into gaming benchmark. And Alright guys, so as you guys can see, the system does perform really well. Now for $309, now you guys might be saying like, oh, you got a good deal. That doesn't mean we are going to get a good deal. Now the CPU I got, Ryzen 1600, you can pick up the CPU brand new from Micro Center if you have a Micro Center near you for $79. Okay, that's a 6-core CPU, 12 thread. So yes, you know, you'll pay a couple $1 more than what I paid. I paid $63 because I bought an open box. If you buy a brand new one, it will cost you like $79, around $80. Now the motherboard I got, I don't recommend you guys to get this motherboard because this motherboard is the A320 motherboard. I would highly recommend you guys to get at least a B350 motherboard or a B450 so you can overclock the CPU and you will definitely gain huge gaming performance. If you can overclock the CPU to 4 GHz, you'll definitely get like a good FPS. You know, I would highly recommend you guys, if you guys have a Ryzen CPU and you have like a B350 motherboard or B450 or X370 or X470, you guys should definitely overclock your CPU because why not? You can overclock, and if you're a gamer, you should definitely do it. And also the graphics card I have in this build, RX580 used, you guys can easily get a RX580 from maybe eBay for like $120 or the max I think around $140. And RX580 8GB still a great graphics card for gaming, guys. Don't sleep on this card, okay? It's a great card. Even you can go with 570, but if you can get a 580 for around 120, 130, then you should definitely get. But if you want a 570, you can get it for like $90. I saw some post in eBay, like the 4 gig variant. And like I said, let me know what you guys think. You know, if you guys have any question, leave in the comment below. And that should be it. All right, see you guys next one.